From the makers of MAXvolador are your flush mount recess LED lights. We're going to show you how simple it is to put one in. You're looking to put recess lights in. We're going to unbox the 6 packs of recess lights. Show you what you get inside the box. Nicely packages your junction box. They open up very easily. You have your load and neutral wire with the ground. And you have your connection lead to the LED light. For the choices of kelvins from low to high, they're located here, 3000 to 6000. These are slim flush mount lights. They're spring loaded. They snap into the ceiling, 6-inch holes with your cable. In the box you have instructions how to hook up, and you have a template guide that you're going to cut out the center hole. Or get yourself an optional tool that cuts out recess lights. We have all your hardware that need to be hooked up. Anchors, screws, and clips. We have the recess lights hooked up in the ceiling, controlled by a remote control that we could adjust different light levels if need. Turn on a timer and adjust down and increase. What we're going to show you on the workbench is how to hook one up and what the lights look like in different kelvins before they go up in the ceiling. They are very easy to take down. All you have to do is take them and pull them down and put them back up. You just simply grab, lift up and out. From the opposite side, you can see how they simply open up, and it's a quick pull. Each kit comes with 3 connections. You simply take them and slide them into the hole like so, and you're done. In this demonstration, what you're going to do is you're going to install and lock into place your junction box. You're going to knock out one of the holes or both holes as needed. You're going to take the leads out. You're going to hook up your connectors, one to each of the orange connector. With your AC lead, it's going to go through the proper way. And you're going to take one, your load to the load, and your neutral to the neutral. With the module connector, you're going to correctly match up, push in, lock down. You're going to install your cable, lock it into place, and you're going to simply spread your clips, slide into the hole, and you're ready to turn your AC on. We are set to a 3000 Kelvin, a warm Kelvin. We're going to change the Kelvin from warm to cooler to the coolest as we go up the switch levels. If you are looking to put these slim line recess lights to any low profile ceiling, they have a nice throw of a minimum of 8 to 10 feet. You can simply lift up, take out, if you ever need to get in there to change out your Kelvin's settings, then you can simply just place back on like so. You just simply grab, lift up and out. From the opposite side, you can see how they simply open up, and it's a quick pull. The MAXvolador recess light 6-inch from 3000 to 6500 Kelvin, 110 volt, thin flush mount LEDs. They come with a template 6-pack. Check online for further details about the quantity you are after. It is adjustable by the switch, put into the wall. If you ever need to pull them out, they're easy to take back out. I hope you enjoyed the product. If this is something that you are looking for in a recess light of your electrical needs. Thank you for viewing.